Hello everyone, and today in number 39, this video we are going to see how we can solve it. Problem that Pinterest sound does not work. This is very simple. First of all, we are going to go to the home part and then we are going to look for any of the videos that do not work appear to check the sound for. Example set here, and first of all you have to check that the sound is not disabled as it appears here, that is with the cross, because if you have it on each video you open by default will appear without sound, so we simply have to give it so that it stays this way. If it still doesn't, and #39T work, what you can do is update the application from your app store, or we can even try something else, which is that we go to our profile at the bottom right and click on the adjustment wheel at the top right. Then we click on the second option that we have on the screen, and as you can see, an option appears that says application sounds. You have to keep in mind that this option has to be activated. If you happen to be activated, you have to press the switch so that it activates and stays this way, and so you can hear the sounds within the Pinterest application. This has been all. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.